Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to save an MP3 file recording using Audacity. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, you'll want to open your Audacity app on your PC. Once the application launches and you can see your main recording interface or project, direct your attention to the top left corner of the screen. You'll notice the File menu located in the menu bar. Go ahead and click on File to reveal a drop-down list of options. From this menu, look for and select Export Audio. This is the primary option you'll use whenever you want to save your recording in any audio format, and it gives you full control over how your final file will be exported. After clicking Export Audio, a new window will appear on your screen. This is the export dialog where you'll configure all the settings for your audio file. In this window, you'll see an option that says Export to Computer. Click on this option to proceed. This tells Audacity that you want to save your recording directly to your computer's storage rather than to any cloud service or external location. Now, before you finalize the export, you have the option to rename your file if needed. Look for the file name field at the top of the export window. By default, Audacity may give your recording a generic name, but you can click into this field and type whatever name you'd like. This makes it easier to organize and locate your audio files later, especially if you're working on multiple projects. Next, navigate to the Format section within the same export window. You'll see a drop-down menu right beside the Format label. Click on this drop-down menu to reveal all the available audio formats that Audacity supports. From the list that appears, scroll down and select MP3 files. This is the format you'll want to choose if you need a compressed, widely compatible audio file that works across virtually all devices and platforms. MP3 is ideal for sharing, uploading, or general playback purposes. Once you've selected MP3 files as your format and you're satisfied with your file name and location, look to the bottom right corner of the export window. You'll see a button labeled Export. Go ahead and click on Export to begin the process. Audacity will now start converting and saving your recording as an MP3 file. Depending on the length of your recording, this may take just a few seconds. And that's it. You've successfully saved your Audacity recording as an MP3 file, ready to be shared, uploaded, or played back on any device. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.